Today I wanted to show you a comparison of some all-weather floor mats against the factory all-weather floor mats. These are made by a company called AAA Liner. The floor mats are for a 23 to the current year F250, 350, or 450. Fit and finish, I would say, is really good. They do cover more than the factory floor mat. I'm going to show you that in just a second. Main areas, they come out this side further, they actually come up in the back here a little bit higher, and they go up underneath the pedals a little bit further. They do come with these the little snaps, and they fit exactly where the factory snaps are. Got like a little recess here maybe where you can put a logo or something. As far as the feel, the difference between the feel on these and the factory, these feel a little bit more like a molded plastic, but they do have a rubbery feel. The factory mats have more of a rubber type feel, a little bit more flexible, but these definitely have more coverage than the factory mats. Let me see if I can slide this one in here for you. Again, these are the factory Super Duty mats that you can order from Ford. All right, so kind of looking at the differences here, you look at, we do come up in this back section a little bit higher on the AAA Liner. We do actually go up underneath that pedal. Let me see if I can put some light there, put a little bit more underneath the pedal there, a little bit higher behind the brake pedal, higher on the dead pedal there, and we do come out more, about an inch more here on the side. I do like this style rather than it coming all the way out to here, because I feel like you'll start tripping on this, and I don't really like it when it's covering all of that. So to kind of give you an idea, that's the driver's side. And this is on my 23 F250 Lariat. Let's go take a look at the passenger side. All right, so here it is on the passenger side, and I'll put that factory mat down to let you see that difference as well. So again, this one does have those little circles there if you wanted to add those little holders in there. I guess you could probably order something from Ford or maybe even online. You got the same little recess right here for some type of a badge if you want to put something in there. Here's the factory mat comparison. Again, those are the factory Ford all-weather mats. Shine the flashlight up in there. You can see we're going a good 2 or 3 inches higher here in the back. We're coming further here, and we're about an inch more off to the edge there. Another thing about the AAA Liner different from the factory is it looks like it would capture more liquids because the raised edges. The factory is kind of more rolled off. They've got this nice and raised up on the edges for you to catch anything that may fall in that area. All right, then we're going to take a look at the back mat here. So here's the back mat. If you take a look at this, a lot more coverage, I would say. The back mat's probably the more significant difference between this mat and the factory Liner. Main areas of coverage I think that are different are definitely over these rear seat caps that cover the bolts. You get a little bit more extended here. This whole section right here is normally open on the factory mat. I'm gonna put that mat down, see if I can do that one-handed for you. You do have, again, same thing, these little round cutouts if you're wanting to put anything to hold it down. So let's see if I can put this factory mat in for you. All right, so right there you can really see big differences again. Look at how much more coverage. You're actually coming down the edge here. The factory mat stops on the carpet up there, covering those caps, like I said, and covering that whole section right in that area. And just like I mentioned about that lip, you can see how the factory does a decent job back here to hold in any liquids or anything. But right there, that lip is raised all the way around the back. Nice and contoured fit. Not going to come out. It's not going to slide around. They do have these little grippers underneath here, just like any other floor mats. But I do like those. Again, the feel here is more of a rubbery consistency, and this is more of a plastic, say with a rubber feel. This is straight out of the box too, so as they sit a little bit longer, they will actually contour down a little bit more. You can kind of see that protection kind of going up that B-pillar post there too. Again, these are made by AAA Liner. I will have some Amazon affiliate links in the description below. If this was helpful, please subscribe and share. And that's to the point.